Well, alright guys, welcome back. My name is Logan with West Desert Wheeler, and this is the winner announcement video of the Operation 11 Charlie Rock Pirates RC collaboration charity raffle. So, thank you guys so much for the support. All 100% of the proceeds from this are going to Operation 11 Charlie. I'm not taking anything out of it. It's all going to them, and we're shipping this truck to its new owner. And it's full of awesome limited parts supported by a bunch of awesome companies that helped make it possible. So thanks to the companies that helped make it possible. Of course, we've got Operation 11 Charlie themselves. We've got Axial with the Basecamp builder's kit that they sent out. We have Vision RC wheels. We have Sky RC who donated the body, as well as the brushless motor in this thing, the Fusion SE, and a few other components as well. So thanks to Sky RC Hobby Shop. We have 307 Hobbies up in Wyoming. They donated the limited edition Reefs Raw 500 Operation 11 Charlie servo. Those are no longer available, and there's one in this truck, which is limited edition, so that's really cool to have in this thing. Of course, we have to thank Rock Pirates RC themselves. They sent over a full kit, the number 1 of 25 limited edition chassis rail set. I got number 1 of the serial number lineup, and they're in that awesome gold finish, which is, of course, a Interceptor chassis, which fits a bunch of different kits, but we used it for the Basecamp here. SL3D RC sent over a set of squid inserts. Proline Racing sent over a set of Proline crawler tires in G8, which are my favorite. I myself donated a set of brass AR45 Pro knuckles up front, so this thing has lots of forward weight bias. We've got over and under drive in it as well. This thing should definitely be a real performer. And of course, we got to thank the awesome paint job that we have on this thing from Bonehead RC. Thanks to Jason. You can find him on Instagram if you want to see more of his work and talk to him about getting something like this painted up for you. So one amazing thing about this charity raffle is we had over 228 people enter to win this truck, which is awesome. Now that's just individuals. That's not how many tickets we sold. As far as tickets sold at $10 each, we sold 607, which means we generated over $6,000 to donate towards Operation 11 Charlie, and it's all because of you guys. I helped put the truck together, I put this up on my channel, but without you guys, this doesn't work. So thanks everyone so much for your support. It's really gonna make a difference in that community, and I'm really looking forward to helping veterans improve their mental health and be welcomed into an RC community where they can be amongst friends and have a good mental health space to be a part of. Operation 11 Charlie is dedicated to reducing suicides. Currently, it is an average of 22 a day, which is just unacceptable, and I hope that this helps change that. So, we know how many people entered, we know how much money we raised, we know who the sponsors are on this truck. It's time to talk about who won this truck. And another fun thing that I like to point out, how many tickets did that person have to buy to win this truck? With the 228 people that entered, we had a bunch of variations of how many tickets each person would buy, which is awesome and great to see. We had a bunch of people just buy single tickets, we had a bunch buy 2, 3, 4, 5, quite a few bought 10, so thanks everyone who did that. I even had someone buy 30 tickets, so good luck to them because that's a big donation and it is going somewhere, so that's really awesome. So thanks to everyone who bought multiple tickets or even just a single. I try and keep these charity raffles affordable so you can throw in just one ticket. 10 bucks isn't too much for a ticket to potentially win a truck like this, so good luck to everybody out there. Now, all right, guys, I have not contacted the winner, so this is going to be where it's announced. So you could win this truck. You might not know it yet. That's the fun part. So let's get to it. We're going to talk about who won the truck, how many tickets they bought, and then we're going to talk about how I randomly select a winner after that. So if you're interested in how I run this, you can stick around for that. But the winner of this year's Operation 11 Charlie Rock Pirates RC collaboration charity raffle is James Young out of Ohio. So congrats, James, that you got this truck. I really wanted to drive it. I decided that it's just too pretty and I wanted to ship it out without any scratches on it. So you're going to be getting this truck just brand new, mint condition, limited edition chassis, limited edition servo, this one-off paint job by Bonehead RC. So huge congrats to James and thank you for participating in this raffle. How many tickets did James have to buy to win this truck? He bought 1. So, you know, the guys who buy just 1 ticket, you know, you can't win if you don't play. So that goes out for next time. Hopefully, if you were too scared to buy multiple tickets, you didn't buy any at all. hopefully this gives you the push to go ahead and buy just that one ticket, because that's truthfully all it takes is to win this truck. So again, congrats to James. That's really cool. I will be contacting you here shortly, and we're going to talk about how to get you this truck. And it's RTR. It comes with a controller as well. You just need a LiPo battery to plug into this thing, and you're out rocking and rolling. So thanks to everyone else who participated. I'm sorry, I've only got one truck to give away, but it was a really cool prize to potentially win. And if you didn't, you still supported a great cause. So thanks to everyone once again. As far as how I pick a winner on these, it's a bit of a process. So I export a report out of my website so I can put that into a spreadsheet, and it shows me everyone who purchased a ticket on their order. Now in the line items, it's just everyone's order. So if somebody bought 3 tickets, it shows up as one line. So I will group them by quantity sold and sort that list by that. So then I can go and take people who bought 3 tickets, copy that group, paste it down below 2 more times so that they are now on this list 3 times. And I do this for everyone, whoever bought 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, whatever. And I make sure that it is lined up that way. And I can also verify, because I know how many tickets I sold through another report, I can also verify the amount of names in that list matches that 607 that we sold this time. And indeed, I hit that perfect number once I had copy and pasted everyone down below. At that point, it is kind of randomized, but you still got the guys up at the top, and then whoever bought more is towards the bottom in the way I organize it. So then I go into a new column, I insert one, and then I type the numbers 1 through 11 for Operation 11 Charlie, and then I copy and paste that all the way down that 607 person list, and then I organize that by number, so everything just gets completely mixed up. So the whole list is randomized. So I go to a random number generator in Google, and then I just ask for a random number generator, number 1 to my 607 number, and I hit that 11 times. And so I just try and make it as random possible. It will give me the line number that I'm looking for. I go over to my spreadsheet, I scroll down to that line number, and we find our winner. It's pretty fun. It's always interesting to me to see who won, where it's going, and how many tickets did they have to buy to win the truck, which I think this is the second time someone has won a truck buying just 1 ticket. So you got to get in on these guys. You can't win if you don't play, and you can't support this awesome cause if you don't join. So thanks once again to everybody who participated. I hope you enjoyed it. Sorry to the 606 people that did not win the truck, but James Young over here did win it. Congrats to him. And again, I'll be contacting you shortly to get you your new truck. I will link all the companies affiliated down below that help support this. Be sure to, follow them on their social media at a minimum. They're posting RC content. You're watching RC content. It's good stuff. So get over there, follow all these companies. They're all great people, and they're all part of a great cause. We will see you guys in the next one. Keep the rubber side down.